we have to start with these most basic, most, let's say, critical systems, and then rebuild human function from there. So the endocannabinoid system is a giant part of that exercise because it is such a basic part of how we work and how we function. Cells, obviously, are such a basic part of how we work and how we function. So we have to understand what a cell needs. And people ask me all the time, Chip, why are you so confident in what to eat and kind of eating behaviors and things like that? And I just understand, I've studied what a cell wants and needs, and that's really what it's all about. So you can put all kinds of food in your mouth, but ultimately you're really just defining that and distilling that down into what a cell needs, okay? So let's jump into mitochondria.